Welcome back to Dark Blood Mechanical. This is part 3 of our Golden Firebird build. Hit subscribe, like, notification stuffs, blah blah blah, let's go. In the last video we finished installing the motor and transmission, so now we're doing the finishing touches and getting it on the road. To start things off, Jeff is going to use a set of Amazon stainless steel rad hoses and install a new cooling system. And while he's doing that, I'm going to install a new set of Dragonfire spark plug wires along with a set of heat shield boots to protect them from the heat. And while I'm installing these, we're going to take a moment to listen to Jeff hit us with some bars.
Kick a freestyle. Gargantuan flows, I got gargantuan holes, with gargantuan toes. I know how it goes, they love the flow, the natural. Understand I kick it actual, no facts that I can't relate to. Understand I hate to. Just a motherfucker who just hates to motherfucking admit that the Firebird is sick. Understand I kick it with the man who's legit. I got Magic Mike, you think you're fucking tight until you see the bite of a 454. Understand I kick it to you like, oh.
Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, I'm going to begin the priming process for oil. The LS blocks have a plug between the oil pump and the oil filter. I'm hooking up a simple hose with a drill pump, and I'm rotating the engine in increments until all the rockers have some oil drizzling from the top of the push rods. Since I couldn't find any direct swap power steering hoses, Jeff went to a local parts shop and he matched up a few different hoses that could fit, and I flared the ends to make them match our current setup. Oh yeah, we also needed a thermostat, so we just used a simple one. In the future, we're probably just going to end up using the ECU to control this. Last but not least, the crown piece of our motor. Moving on to the interior, I wired up the ECU to the main fuse panel, and I originally had the goal of mounting the ECU right inside the center console up front. However, it was too wide to fit between the walls, so I opted to relocate it behind the glove box compartment.
What do we need the ECU for?
I don't know, if you had a carb on this, there wouldn't be any issues, Jeff. But no, I want an LS.
I'm getting old, bro. Did you read the thing on Leo DiCaprio?
What thing?
They made this fucking graph of Leonardo DiCaprio. Girl he dates. Like 25, they break up and he starts a new girl.
His line is steady like that, but all the girls like stop at 25. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
But like it's not like 2, 3.
It's every single one, yeah. After putting the interior back together, the last piece of fabrication I have to do is the exhaust. I went with 3-inch stainless steel from Speed Engineering. This kit came with X-pipe, clamps, a few bends, and some macaroni pieces. So that pretty much wraps up the exhaust portion of this project. And yes, I know, the axle dumps you see here are just temporary until we got the correct hangers. Don't judge me. Okay, so from here on forward, this will mainly be an ASMR content segment, but not like the weird simpy stuff.
Are we sleepy?
So turn up your speakers and let's run this beast. I think we should, try to get it into 6. We'll go down Ottawa Street, I think, all the way down to, I forgot what it was called, Burlington Street, and then see if we can get into 5th or 6th, and just, we can log some data from there. How does the transmission feel? Aside from the clutch, I mean.
Yeah, aside from the clutch, like, it's pretty smooth to me. Like, at least I can go into the gears. What I'm trying to feel out is like the bog, hesitation bog.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to feel that out.
It was much smoother when it was warmer out. I know that.
Yeah.
Now that it's like colder out, I'm noticing this is way different.
Yeah, exactly.
And then stay in the left lane. Left lane. And then try to get it up to speed here. And don't be afraid to like give it a little bit more. I'm watching the AFRs and stuff. It is definitely lean. The timing is good though. You're in 6? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's very lean. Your RPM's around 1400. And air to fuel ratio 17 to 1, 18 to 1. Timing is 21, so it's not bad.
A lot of black smoke. Time, fucking, me and Mike put it down. Mike got it in. What's up, buddy?
Mind if I look?
Oh yeah, you can look, bro.
Nice go. Yeah. Thanks, man. Ah!
That backfire is a little just rich.
Yeah, it's a little bit rich on the leg. Watch the ball.
Yeah, but I'm impressed with how smooth it is. Low. Yo, why is it so smooth low is what I'm like curious. I've never had a car like run so smooth in a low gear. Third smooth, everything smooth. What's going on? Okay, what do you think?
I think you should go in and have a look at that exhaust because I think it's starting to rattle off. And we got enough
and stuff.
What do you think about how it's driving?
That's what I think.
Overall, this was a solid, fun build. The car drives smoothly, it's got loads of power for the street, and it sounds awesome and feels great. I thank you all for watching, hopefully you learned something. This pretty much concludes the Golden Firebird project. For now.
I check that bitch like I'm Mari. Sorry, bitch, I don't say sorry. Look at my